Garrett, bad news. Your offer on 839 Reef Point was just too low, and the sellers decided to go with another offer.
And in the evening when I close my eyes, all I see is you again. All I see is pain. All I see is pain. And in the morning,
What were you thinking lowballing about?
it's never you.
Let's make an offer.
And in the morning when I open my eyes, it's never you. I wish it was you.
What?
Hey, Garrett, I have good news on 839 Reef Point. The buyer is backed out. Are you still interested?
Yeah. We'll send that better offer over right now. Whew.
Okay.
Thank God. Oh, thank God.